they're not that clear.
Okay.
Like, the clarity is not going to be maintained.
That's pirated CDs.
Yeah, and if you have your, suppose if there's a movie which I really love and it's my favorite movie, then I would obviously go for, I wouldn't mind spending for it, even buying the original CD.
Yeah.
Rather than, because I know if I'm going to buy the CD and if I spend money for it, I'm obviously going to use it at least, like 10 to 15 times.
Yeah.
And, basically keep it with me at least for a period of 3-4 years, maintain it, and keep it and use it as and when I want it.
So is that about the sort of, it's worth the extra money, or is it also that the original CD will last longer?
No. See, basically basically I'm trying to tell you, if it's a favorite movie of mine, then I wouldn't consider the money part, money is okay then, even if it's expensive,
Value
it's okay.
for money.
Yeah, value for money.
Yeah.
That's
Which
how many
durability
viewings.
But if you tell me
is
to,
a part of it.
if supposedly
the rational justification, the sort of
if my friends tell me that no, we're buying some DVDs, and if they're buying a DVD of not of my choice, I would never pay, the money of the original copy of it. I would rather buy the pirated ones, which you get for 100 rupees, and just see it once and just.
So it's really that favorite.
Yeah, and the best thing is, if you have an original CD, you will always keep it with you in your cupboard or in your drawer. But if it is a pirated CD now, I have so many pirated, if you'll ask me to find it, I don't even remember where it is. It's somewhere kept, somewhere below the bed, or maybe, somewhere just thrown away. So, basically they don't have value for it, we know it's only for 100 rupees, it doesn't make sense, let it be wherever it is.
Yeah.
But my butterfly effect, in fact, it's in my drawer.